Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share my top 10 makeup blushes. If you know me, I love to put makeup blushes and I feel blushes add so much to your face, and these ones are super affordable, budget friendly. So if you are a college going girl or an office going girl, and if you are finding out some new blushes to try out, you should definitely watch this video. Without making this intro more long, let's dive into the video. But if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Kwaish. I'm a makeup artist. I make makeup related content videos for you guys. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon below so that when I upload a video, you are notified. And now let's dive into the video. So let's start off with the very first product. We have the Inside Cosmetic. Now this is the lip and cheek tint. I love this product. For the price point you're paying it's so fab. It has an amazing pigmentation. I am using the shade 05 Strawberry Summer. It blends beautifully into your skin tone, and I love how beautifully it complements the brown skin tone. It has some amazing pigmentation and it is very pocket friendly. The lasting power of this blush is not that great, but of course for 80 rupees it does a great job. After you blend out this blush does not look patchy at all. It looks super natural on your skin tone. So definitely a big thumbs up from my side. Talking about the next blush we have from the Nykaa, it's that Get Cheeky Blush Stick. Now this comes in a stick form as the name suggests. It has some beautiful shades, but one of my favorite is the Rosy Rush. This coral peachy tone suits my skin tone so beautifully. Again, it is very easy to apply. It blends super easily and it has very lightweight formula. I love this blush, and it is something that you can put on your foundation but will not move your foundation. The lasting power of this blush is around 4 to 5 hours. If you are near my skin tone, you should definitely try out this one. The shade is bomb. Let's talk about the next blush we have from the Swiss Beauty. It's their cream blush. I have used this blush a lot and it has a very sheer moussey texture. The shades they offer are so beautiful, perfect for Indian skin tone. Talking about the pigmentation, it is not that pigmented, but of course you can build it up. The lasting power of this blush is around 3 to 4 hours, but for the price point I feel it's best. On a regular basis, I don't like to put so many products on my face, but definitely after I put my sunscreen, I apply a little bit of this product and it just gives me that natural sheer coverage on my face. So definitely pretty blush for your everyday use. If you are not fond of blushy, like if you don't want to keep your blush that is noticeable, I feel this one is the best pick. It's super natural, and for your day-to-day life, I feel this one is the best pick. Moving on to the next blush we have from the pack. This is their Pack X Sara Dewy Liquid Blush. If you are into a dewy liquid blushes, you should definitely try out this one. This is in the shade Turkish Delight. The formula of this blush is so pigmented. The texture is so amazing, and again it blends super easily into your skin. I feel this shade suits the brown skin tone so beautifully. The lasting power of this blush is again 4 to 5 hours. This one is the perfect pick for your wedding season. If you are a bride to be or a bridesmaid, I feel you should definitely have this blush in your vanity. For the price point, it does a fab job, and I love to put it whenever I'm doing a glam makeup. I definitely reach out to this one. Let's move on to the next product. We have the super viral one. Now this is from the Tipsy Beauty. It's their Silk Cushion Blush. I love the packaging. It's very similar to Charlotte Tilbury Wand packaging. Again, talking about this blush, they are super pigmented. Look flawless on my skin tone. This has some shiny, shimmery particles in it. This one you can either blend it with your fingers or blush. It blends seamlessly without making or creating any patches on your face. The lasting power of this blush is again 4 to 5 hours. Now it depends on your skin type, but I love to mix and match a lot of blush. Now you tell me, does it really suits my skin tone or not? Because sometimes I love this blush, but sometimes I feel the color payoff is not showing up on my skin, and at that time I need to mix it with my other blush, which I will be talking to you quickly. Now, since we are talking about the viral products, why not talk about the famous She Glam blush? I have made a special video. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, go and follow me. I have posted a reel on this particular product talking about this blush. This is super pigmented. Now again, the packaging is so cute. This looks so natural. It has a dewy matte finish. It blends super easily. The formula of this blush is quite hydrating, I will say, and it is very super lightweight. I feel this blush makes your base more flawless. Now it's perfect for everyday use. The lasting power of this blush is 4 to 5 hours. This one comes in my top 3 favorites. It's so good and so lightweight. It just looks beautiful on my skin tone. You should definitely try out this one. I forgot to save the shade name. It's in the shade Rose Ritual. Moving on to the next blush, we have the super pigmented blush. This is from the Love Child Masaba. It's their Ben Baja blush. It's very pigmented. Now you need to be quick in terms of blending because it dries out quickly and could create a patch. Small amount of blush is enough. It gives you that flawless dewy finish once blended. The lasting power of this blush is again 4 to 5 hours, but I love it. If you are looking for a very pigmented blush, I feel you should definitely try out this one. It's perfect. So moving on to the next blush, since we are talking about highly pigmented blushes, how can I not speak about this one from the Swiss Beauty? Again, it's their lip and cheek tint. It's from the Craze collection, and this is in the shade Macaron. If you are looking for a very highly pigmented blush in the affordable section, I feel this one is the best pick. Speaking about this blush, it's a very good radiant blush. It gives you that beautiful flush of color on your face. It's perfect for everyday makeup look. It's a very good long lasting blush, especially for summer makeups. I feel this one will be a best pick. Also, one fun fact about this blush, after applying this blush, you don't need to put a powder blush on top of it to set. This sets instantly, giving you that flawless finish. You should definitely give it a try if you haven't tried it yet. So we have completed our 8 blushes. Moving on to last 2 blushes that I have in the powder form. I love the cream blushes more, as you can see, because I feel cream blushes are long lasting. They stay for a good period of time, but whereas talking about your powder blushes, they don't stay so much and they doesn't have so much of pigmentation like the cream blushes have. So this one first. Now this is from the Verified brand. It's in the shade Cashmere Rose. Yeah, you can see how much I have used this product. I've literally hit the pen. Now this one is an amazing powder blush. It just gives you that airbrush finish. It's super pigmented. It stays for a good 4 to 5 hours and it just blends into your skin so perfectly. So if you don't like to put cream blushes, there are a lot of girls who are not comfortable putting cream blushes. You can definitely try out this one. It's easier to put, just blend it out with the blush and you're good to go. And we have almost come to the end of this video, sharing with you all the last product. Now this is the Maybelline Fit Me blush. It's in the powder format. I love the soft baby pink. I love this shade, complements my skin tone so beautifully. Again, this blends super easily, has a good pigmentation. The powder is also not that chalky. It blends beautifully on your skin. I love the pigmentation, the formula, everything is perfect for your everyday makeup blush. And with that, we come towards the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching such videos. Do like, share, comment down below your top 3 makeup blushes, and do let me know some new makeup blushes in the Indian market that I have not tried it yet, so that I can review it for you all. Do let me know which other videos you want me to make. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.